Hello and welcome. Public cloud platform in recent year is growing very fast. That's because pay for what you use commercial model and practically unlimited infrastructure. Many analytical companies predicting the business for cloud is going to grow $125 billion plus, and Google Cloud Platform is not an exception. If you look at the market share from 2015 to 2020, it is growing really fast. That's because Google has a unique feature, and that is called its network backbone and point of presence across the globe. They have the fiber optic cable laid in the sea, and they are connected the whole world together. Growing business means growing the skill set requirement, whether it is application or platform or infrastructure. And certification makes really good difference when you are working in IT services company or the enterprises, or you are reskilling yourself and putting that in your resume, Google certified. Some of the certifications which Google provides: Cloud Engineer, Cloud Architect, Cloud Developer, Cloud Data Engineer, Cloud Network, and Security Engineer. We are planning to cover almost all the certifications available on Google Cloud Platform out of this course, but we are providing at least 4 certifications right now. The list of services which we are going to cover: App Engine, Compute Engine, Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Function, Cloud Run, all the services where you deploy your application as a computing platform. We also cover Cloud Storage, Cloud Bigtable, Cloud Firestore, Cloud SQL, Cloud Persistent Disk, and all the services related to database and storage services. We are going to cover Cloud VPC, Cloud Load Balancer, Cloud CDN, Cloud Interconnect, Cloud DNS, all the services related to networking and its subcomponents. We are also going to cover the BigQuery, Cloud Dataflow, Cloud Dataproc, Cloud Data Lab, and Cloud PubSub related to all big data services inside Google Cloud Platform. We are also going to cover Cloud ML, Vision API, Speech API, NLP APIs, and many more related to machine learning and AI. We also understand the importance of understanding infrastructure services like Cloud IAM, Stackdriver, Deployment Manager, Cloud API Management, Cloud Build, Container Registry, and many more related to Cloud CI and CD. We are covering all of them. For each and every services, we'll go to the service understanding, basic concept, labs and demos, best practices, and certification questions. It's very important to understand the labs. We have provided the detailed instruction for you to go ahead and launch the cloud services by yourself using console or via CLIs like gcloud commands. Only understanding the core services will not help you to pass the examination, at least certain examination like Cloud Architect or Developer. You need to go through the case studies as well. We have covered all the case studies which is required for individual certification in this course. You have 30 days money back guarantee from Udemy. That is great, right? Because you have nothing to lose. If you don't like it, you can always take full refund back with no exceptions. So let's go ahead and join the course. Hope to see you.